I'm Alex Snyder, co-founder of a company called Site to Site. What not a lot of people know about me is I'm level 98 in Clash of Clans, level 5 wizards, level 5 hogs, level 4 wizards. I'm pretty much god of Clash. Probably the biggest advice I can offer a startup would be get some sort of revenue model. Don't rely on just giving out to beta users, giving it away for free. Get money, because the only way that you can validate your product in the market is that someone's willing to pay for it. And that's why you see a lot of startups, they struggle with that. Over the last few years, we've seen a lot of social apps just go down because there's no way to monetize it. There might have been, but the ship might have sailed. And a lot of money was put into that. So I think the best way of validation is simple economics. Find someone to pay for your product.